while technological breakthroughs in photovoltaic panels and battery systems capture the limelight. The unsung heroes of this revolution are the diverse array of materials that form the backbone of these innovations. Savvy investors are turning their attention to these critical components, recognizing their potential for substantial growth and profitability. The solar panel supply chain. Aluminum's enduring strength is at the heart of solar installation lies a sturdy aluminum frame, supporting the weight of the solar panels and withstanding the elements. Aluminum's lightweight yet robust nature, coupled with its resistance to corrosion, makes it an ideal choice for solar racking systems. As the demand for solar energy continues to soar, the need for aluminum in the industry is expected to surge, presenting a lucrative opportunity for investors eyeing this versatile metal. Silicon. The semiconductor superstar silicon is the second most abundant element on Earth. It is the cornerstone of the photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight into electricity. While the public may associate silicon primarily with computer chips, its applications in solar technology are equally crucial. As solar panel manufacturers strive to enhance efficiency and reduce costs, the demand for high-quality silicon is poised to skyrocket, making investments in silicon mining and processing a very attractive prospect. Rare earth elements. Catalysts for clean energy. Beyond the well-known materials, the solar and energy storage industries rely heavily on a group of elements collectively known as rare earth metals. These include neodymium, dysprosium, and praseodymium, which are essential components in the permanent magnets found in wind turbines and electric vehicle motors. Additionally, lanthanum and cerium play a vital role in the production of energy-efficient LED lighting and catalytic converters. While their extraction and processing can be challenging, investing in companies specializing in rare earth elements could yield substantial returns as the world transitions towards cleaner technologies. The versatility of plastics. Supporting solar infrastructures. While metals and semiconductors take center stage in solar panel construction, plastics play an equally vital role in supporting the entire solar infrastructure. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and cross-linked polyethylene, PEX, are widely used in the intricate network of piping and conduits that transport coolants and electrical wiring throughout solar installations. Meanwhile, polycarbonate and acrylic sheets provide durable, transparent coverings for solar modules, shielding them from environmental hazards while allowing optimal light transmission. As the solar industry expands, the demand for high-performance plastics tailored to withstand harsh outdoor conditions is poised to surge, presenting lucrative opportunities for investors in this versatile material sector. Wiring the future. Copper's conductive prowess, seamlessly transmitting the electricity generated by solar panels, is a critical aspect of any solar installation, and copper remains the preeminent material for this task. Its exceptional electrical conductivity, coupled with its resistance to corrosion and thermal resilience, makes it an indispensable component in solar power systems. From the intricate wiring within individual panels to the large-scale transmission lines that connect solar farms to the grid, copper is the essential conduit that powers our transition to renewable energy. As the solar industry continues to expand, the demand for high-quality copper wiring is expected to soar, presenting compelling investment prospects in copper mining, refining, and manufacturing operations. Glass and protective coverings. While solar panels harness the power of the sun, they also face the challenges of exposure to the elements. This is where glass and protective coverings play a crucial role, safeguarding the delicate photovoltaic cells from environmental hazards such as wind, rain, hail, and extreme temperatures. Tempered glass, with its exceptional strength and durability, is a popular choice for the front panels of solar modules, providing a transparent barrier while allowing maximum light transmission. Additionally, specialized coatings and films are applied to these glass surfaces to enhance their protective properties, ensuring optimal solar panel performance. Investments in the glass manufacturing and coating industries could prove to be integral, as the demand for high-quality protective coverings for solar installations continues to rise. Energy storage. The battery material revolution continues as solar and wind power become more prevalent. The need for efficient energy storage solutions has never been greater. Lithium-ion batteries have emerged as the frontrunners in this arena, with lithium, cobalt, nickel, and graphite serving as the primary components. However, the industry is constantly evolving, with researchers exploring alternative materials, such as sodium, sulfur, and vanadium for next-generation batteries. Investors with a keen eye on these emerging technologies could potentially capitalize on the ever-growing demand for energy storage solutions. Recycling and sustainability. Closing the loop. As the solar and energy storage industries continue to thrive, the need for responsible waste management and recycling practices becomes increasingly paramount. Solar panels, batteries, and other components contain valuable materials that can be recovered and repurposed. Reducing the environmental impact of these technologies and promoting a circular economy. Companies specializing in the recycling of solar panel materials, such as silicon, aluminum, and glass, present attractive investment opportunities as the global emphasis on sustainability intensifies. Similarly, the development of efficient battery recycling processes could unlock a treasure trove of valuable materials, including lithium, cobalt, and nickel, while mitigating the environmental consequences of improper disposal. Ethical and environmental considerations. While the materials powering the solar and energy storage industries offer promising investment opportunities, it is crucial to consider the ethical and environmental implications of their extraction and production processes. Many of these materials are sourced from regions plagued by human rights concerns, conflict, and environmental degradation. Responsible investors may seek out companies committed to sustainable and ethical practices, employing rigorous due diligence and prioritizing transparency in their supply chains, while embracing innovation and sustainability as the world continues its march towards a more sustainable future. The solar energy and energy storage industries will undoubtedly play a pivotal role. By understanding the diverse array of materials that underpin these technologies, investors can position themselves at the forefront of this revolution, capitalizing on the growing demand for clean energy solutions while contributing to a greener planet. Whether it's aluminum, silicon, rare earth elements, plastics, copper, glass, or the components of cutting-edge battery technologies, the opportunities for savvy investors are vast and varied. However, success in this arena will require a careful balance of financial acumen, technological expertise, and a commitment to ethical and environmentally responsible practices. As the sun rises on a new era of sustainable energy, those who embrace innovation may find themselves well positioned to reap the rewards of this transformative journey, illuminating the path towards a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.